Money can bring happiness to a certain extent, but it is not a guarantee. Happiness is a complex emotion that is influenced by various factors such as relationships, personal experiences, and personal values. While having enough money to meet basic needs and financial security can bring some happiness, beyond that, there are diminishing returns as more money does not necessarily equate to more happiness. Additionally, how someone spends their money also has an impact on their happiness. For example, buying experiences and creating memories with loved ones is often more fulfilling than buying material possessions. Certainly, I'll elaborate further. Money is a means to an end and can bring happiness by allowing people to meet their basic needs and financial security, thereby reducing stress and anxiety. It can also provide people with more opportunities to do things they enjoy and to travel, for example. However, research has shown that once basic needs and financial security are met, there is only a limited correlation between wealth and happiness. This suggests that there are other factors that play a more significant role in determining a person's overall happiness. Moreover, the relationship between money and happiness is also influenced by a person's values, outlook, and expectations. For example, someone who values simplicity and experiences with loved ones may find more happiness in spending less money on material possessions and more on creating memories.